Ore mucemanio yo Okolea rungu rwa gavana KAWIRA na mukuru wa bayokwiriro ntere cia Kinjo Centrimenti nende mutetheria mubunge wa cio kiu KIRIMA gucine na ARETE KAWIRA anto wikiria KARIMA debuti na MIRINGITI na baikire MIRANDI kaguna ntura yonthe ndi ti muntu kiumbe na MC wa ntere Patrick Muthuri uwitewe atiri abirabia kinya wondi ni ubwonka akibikaguna muringi kura akira AKARI pakeya kureta andura kwa kujirwe ntuka Jumapili ndiru ntere chimakiri mawa mutugikare aina ribotie.
You're excited for me to be here, but I am even more excited than you are. Because what I can do, I do for God. I don't do it on my own. I didn't earn the money that came to you. My parents did. And they left it to me. And I could go buy diamonds. I could go buy something else. But God wouldn't let me.
Ni migambo ya Reverend Janice Antonio urawiritete go sponsor skuru ya KETHIRA na njira ya kubakirira sibithatu bire bya computer na kimwe kya library na ru akija gwikira igara musingi kyathonekira giukari na tongeria mwanya bakithomo na kinyaba gisiasa na kyathoneke skuru eje kiuga mathina jarabo kurukira Mongera Steven Mutetheria wa mubunge wa Centrimenti akiromba gavana wa Meru KAWIRA Mwangaza urawirigiri kureta mubango jojo Okolea ntere cia Kinjo wandi neje akimuromba antu akuretera AKARI MAKOBE MIRINGITI mabati na ng'ombe neja atonyere gatigati na kigina kiu aratengete athirie thina imwe ya skuru eje.
And our governor of Meru to learn from this lady of substance, Madam Janice, and convert all the gumboots, all the mattresses, and all the blankets that she had intended to take to Kinjo on Sunday and bring a generator to this school. We don't need blankets. We need something that we can all rejoice using, other than covering ourselves with the blanket and the mattresses.
Na igoro nyuma ya mubunge wa Centrimenti KIRIMA ngushine kuga AKARI Kinjo ni bamwirite gavana Mwangaza akareta mubango jo Okolea ntereji
tekugutura nkiaki cia kweja wa mattress na kundonita iro ng'ombe ndiromba atiri program ira ya Okolea nontu ne gweti kinyaja Senate nirungameke ya gwakwani antu ba Centrimenti barambire batekumienda
narua Patrick Muthuri MC wandieje wadiuga gote mutongeria rigirite kureta mirandi wandine yawe ithirwe minene kana minini
nde mutongeria obotho guchi west impete muntu wonde space na muntu wonde okwenda kuja botho guchi aretete maendeleo ya manene kana ya manini na igwa karibishi buru
na ko Muthuri aliuria AKARI Kinjo ntuko ya kiumia bagokia ndo aukeja kwithira gavana Mwangaza akareta mubango jwawe nao akiburio ro kwenda utethia cikie no rote kwenda shebanire na mucemanio joburu
ukaigua ote kwenda untu bo muntu ogwa keep off karago akunja utuga gwitanja ukaigua ote kwenda kiewa kiro kwewa mwirere no thank you na heshima tu lakini kuga to insight anto baroe ntije no gu insight waroa
kingi kire Muthuri aliuga ni bakuromba mbunge inene na ya seneti ko bakurukire muswanda jo MCs kwithagiro bari na kigina kiao kia ward fund akiuga the MCs barabaguterera gavana kana bakura kumugwiria nterecia gote mirandi ya witi na mbere gukujirwa.
Meru County Assembly have no fund, development fund that I can use here. It is all under the mercy of the governor of the day. So if you misbehave before the governor, you can imagine what will happen in your community. So I'm praying God that one day we shall have our own fund, entrenched in the law, so that at least we can have development allowed.
Muthiene mwarimu munene wa skuru ejaruga KIRIMA thina jara bari najo benda mubunge wawa bachwira ntera ya mbasi ya skuru na kinya kuongerwa kwa nyumba cia kurara ciaritwa na mpui muno.
He promised a school bus. We are still waiting. Some children were born and they are going to school now, 2018. As we wait for the school bus, tell Mheshimiwa, these little girls have nowhere to sleep. You know the emerging issues like LGBTQ. And when they are together, things can happen.
Makatheri wandine abothugusi west gicigo mbunge kia Central Imenti nke report randito cia weru rea kwaritwa ni mutungi kare.